The Nisaku NJP650 Hori Hori knife is a standout tool for anyone serious about gardening, landscaping, or even camping. Crafted with precision in Japan, this knife is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring both durability and performance. The blade measures 7.25 inches and features a dual-edged design. One side is serrated while the other is straight, making it versatile for a variety of tasks. The serrated edge excels at cutting through tough turf and roots, while the straight edge is perfect for digging, planting, and other precise work. What sets this knife apart is its built-in inch markings on the blade, which help you plant bulbs and seeds at the exact depth needed for optimal growth. This feature adds a level of accuracy that can make a real difference in your gardening results. The handle, made from wood and measuring 5.25 inches, is ergonomically designed to reduce hand and wrist fatigue, making it comfortable to use even during extended gardening sessions. Additionally, the polished aluminum head resists rust, adding to the knife's longevity and ensuring it will remain a reliable tool in your shed for years to come. Overall, the Nisaku NJP650 Hori Hori knife is not just a tool, but a valuable asset for anyone who values efficiency and precision in their gardening tasks. Its blend of quality materials, thoughtful design, and functional features make it one of the best choices on the market for garden enthusiasts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.